Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert location symbol in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show insert location symbol. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a symbol option. Now click for more symbol. Then search from winding font. Now press enter. Then click for a location symbol. Now click for insert option. Now close the symbol sort. Now select from a location symbol. Now go into the home menu option. Now change size. That is. Then location symbol and choose change color down. Then click for font color option. Then click for and choose color. That is. Then you show insert location symbol in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for